Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this quick video I explain how to remove server roles and features on server the right and easiest way. In the video I will explain 2 ways to do this. The first way is through the Server Manager dashboard page. Click on Manage at the top of the page, and from there select the option Remove Roles and Features. Click on the Next button to continue, and here select the domain from which you want to remove the feature and roles, and click on the Next button to continue. Here you can remove roles by clicking Roles Now. I'm going to remove DHCP server. Uncheck it. Once untick the roles, you will receive a wizard. Click Remove Features. Click on Next. And here select the features you want to remove. Click on Next. And the last step is to click on the Remove button, and the process of removing roles and features will take a few minutes. In the end, you will be asked to restart the server to save the changes that occurred due to removing some roles and features. I will not click on Remove because I just want to explain to you. There is another way using the PowerShell window to remove server roles and features. After opening the PowerShell as an administrator, type the command that appears in front of you on the screen to display all roles and features on the server. After executing the command, all roles and features will be displayed. Select the name of the roles or features that you want removed. Then enter the command that appears on the screen to remove it. Enter this command with replacing the name of the roles or features that you want to remove. Here I will remove the DHCP server, and then press the enter to execute the command, and it will take seconds, and after that you must restart the server. Whatever method you will use, in the end the result is the same, and these methods are the correct and fast methods to remove roles and features on the server. Thank you for watching. I hope that the video is useful to you. I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.